Are moving here to Minnesota because a current law is making us vulnerable.
Insurance fraud costs the state millions each year. Minnesota ranks 10th in the country for states with false claims. Insurance experts say gangs and the mafia are responsible for that rise. Heather Brown explains how these schemes work and what to look out for so you are not a victim.
So you might be driving down the street and maybe have a very minor accident, and that could trigger a case where there could be insurance fraud.
A sophisticated routine is taking money directly from our wallets.
People would be very shocked to know who is involved.
Organized crime involved in insurance fraud has gone up from 16 claims 5 years ago to 53 in 2011.
There's evidence that the Russian mafia is actually here in South Minneapolis setting up fake clinics, staging fake accidents, overbilling, billing for accidents that never happened.
The criminals cash in by making out on staged collisions and fake personal injury claims, getting as much as $40,000 per person.
And there's direct evidence to show that those fraudsters are coming here to Minnesota and setting up shop.
Minnesota's no-fault policy may be leaving us vulnerable. That's because your own insurance company pays the bill no matter who caused the crash. Other states have deep investigations and court cases to determine who was at fault.
Overall, since it was established, the no-fault law in Minnesota has generally proven to be successful.
Insurance experts say the math is simple. Fake claims equal higher premiums, about $100 a year for an average policy. The no-fault law isn't necessarily outdated. Experts say it needs better support policies so crooks can't take advantage of it.
My highest priority was to make sure that criminals who were thinking about coming to Minnesota stopped and said, we're not coming to Minnesota.
Insurance fraud is a felony level offense in Minnesota. Now, if you're in an accident, there are a few things to do to spot fraud. Check with your insurance company to make sure that the damage estimates match the actual damage done and the claims do not include medical bills for people that are not involved. Also, if something doesn't look right, you should report it.